What's up, TTC? What's up, Niner Empire? It's your boy Mailman back at it again. Here to give you some Niner news and talk about the upcoming game we got coming on. Let's talk about what we did to Tampa Bay first. I mean, what we did to Tampa Bay was basically we pulled that belt out. That was an ass whipping. That was beyond an ass whipping. We pulled that goddamn belt out and beat that ass. That's what we did to Tampa Bay. That was one of those, grandmama tell you to go out there and get that switch off that tree, come in and beat that ass. That's what that was. And I know a lot of people might not know nothing about that, but hey, I was raised in the old school, man. That's the old kind of school way. When your grandmother tell you to go out there and get a switch from the tree so you come get your ass kicked. That's what that was. That's how we beat down Tampa Bay. But anyways, 48-3 was scored. God damn, that was a beat down. I mean, we beat them in every phase of the game: offense, defense, special teams, coaching, everything. I mean, it was outstanding. Alex Smith, another solid game for him. Frank Gore, what can I say? Fucking Gore is doing work. Gore is back. Is there any more doubt now about Gore? Lost a step? I don't think so. Gore is definitely back now. Vernon Davis, 2 touchdowns, doing work. Delaney Walker, nice touchdown in the first quarter. Gore touchdown. What can I say, man? I mean, it was outstanding. I mean, everybody was doing work. Kendall Hunter doing work. Offensive line played outstanding. Alden Smith, 2 sacks for him on the day. I mean, everybody, the whole defense, man, everybody. Carlos Rogers with a pick 6. I mean, shit, the fucking Deshaun Golson laying the fucking wood on people. I mean, that was just an outstanding fucking game. I mean, I hope anybody that's doubting now the 49ers, I hope they stop fucking doubting and realize that this is a solid team. This is a good team. And Tampa Bay is not a slouchy team. We beat the shit out of a good football team, in Tampa Bay. But I hope, but the doubters are still gonna keep doubting us and all this shit, but it doesn't matter. Let me point out a few things in the game that did take place, and I was like, man, now, I know there's been a lot of talk about it. Now, 2 things that did happen in this game. The Josh Morgan injury, of course, reports he's got a broken leg, so he's going to be out for an extended period of time. Probably out for the season. Might come back if we reach the postseason or whatnot. But there's talk of that, and should we have went for it on 4th down? That's because that's how Josh Morgan got hurt. We went for it on 4th down and got it. And should we have went for it on 4th down, or should we have just kicked the field goal? Because at that point it was 41-3, and we were already beating the life out of them. And I want to say I like the aggressive play calling that Jim Harbaugh did. I'm not against that. And I'm all for the aggressive play calling. I like the fact that he went for it on 4th down. I mean, it's unfortunate that Josh Morgan got hurt. Hey, injuries happen in the NFL. They happen, and I hate that it happened to him. Because Josh Morgan was really coming along this season. He was starting to make strides and making some good plays. But now Cal Williams and Ted Ginn Jr. is going to have to pick up the slack. Braylon Edwards is still out. He's predicted to come back after the bye week after playing the Lions. So, we did sign somebody. But I don't know, man. I mean, being out there wide receiver, I know that word talks about us working out TJ Houshmandzadeh. I want to know what the Niner Empire thinks about maybe T.O. coming back. I know that, probably might not like that, but, we are kind of thin at wide receiver due to injury. And, what do you guys think? T.O.? T.O., yes, no? I don't know. I was kind of getting mad with T.O. towards the end when, you know, he was running his fucking mouth and I just wanted him to shut up, play football. But hey, he's out there. It is a thought. So, but on to the next game. Detroit Lions coming up, and the Lions right now are riding fucking high. They're undefeated. Everybody's on their fucking dick sack right now. Everybody's riding the fucking Lions jock. Nobody's giving us a fucking chance in this Lion game. They have a very outstanding defensive line. One of the weaker points on our team is our offensive line. We're going to have to fucking hold that defensive line up. They got Big and Ndamukong Suh. Kyle Vanden Bosch, Nick Fairley's back and healthy now for him. We're going to have to hold them up now. I think their secondary and their linebackers are kind of suspect. But if we can hold that defensive line up from creating havoc, I think we got a shot. You know, Matt Forte from the Bears was able to run pretty good on them. So I'm hoping maybe Kendall Hunter and Frank Gore get something going against that defensive front. On the other side of the ball for Detroit, I mean, hey, they don't need no introduction. Matthew Stafford and Big Megatron, we got to fucking... it's like my boy Tessa said, shit, we got to bring the fucking Autobots ready for this big motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? We're going to have to bring goddamn Optimus Prime and motherfucking Bumblebee and Ironhide and all the rest of the fucking Autobots to stop Big Megatron. We got to put some people on this motherfucker or he's going to have a fucking field day. But I think if we could try to take him out the game, you know, number one, we got to put some pressure on Matthew Stafford. If we could put some pressure on Stafford, you know, we could fluster them a little bit. I don't see them running the ball on us. Nobody's been able to run the ball on us all year. I don't see Detroit doing it. I expect for us to win this fucking game. I'm ready for this fucking game. I am excited. I can't tell you how excited I am about this fucking game, about this year, man. We have really been on the roll. Let's keep it up, Niners. We got to come out strong, man, and if we play our game, we should be able to beat the Lions. It's going to be a tough task, but I don't give a fuck about Detroit. Fuck them fucking Lions. Fuck Megatron. You know what I'm saying? We bringing the Autobots on that ass. You know what I'm saying? We coming to whoop some Lion ass, baby. You know, so let's go Niners. Niners all day, Niners all day, Niners all fucking day. This your boy Mailman, everybody, and I am out.